today's video is going to be a wig review on this wig right here. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Jana. I make hair videos with wigs and hair extensions. So if you are looking for some tips and tricks, please subscribe. I'd love to have you around. I make new videos every week. So anyway, let's get into the review. Alright, so I've actually had this wig for about 2 years now, and it is one of my favorite wigs that I own. And if you guys want to see a wig collection video, I kind of want to make one of those. If you guys want to see that, please like this video so I know. So I got this wig on Best Lace Wigs. I'll obviously link all the specs and everything down below so you can find the wig that I have. And this is a customization of the one that is on their website. So I did ask them to customize the rooting. The original one comes with black rooting and that wouldn't look natural on me, so I asked them for a darker blonde. And I also asked for a silk top closure, and I'll show you that in a second. So those are pretty much the only two things I customized. Other than that, I think the length is the same as the one in the picture, and the color, the base color is a 613. It's the same one in the picture, and I think it's actually Nikita Dragon that's modeling it in the picture, and that's who made me get the wig too when she got it a few years back. I thought it looked so nice, so I got it. Alright, so now I'll show you the cap construction and everything like that. Alright, so this is what she looks like, and I'm just going to turn her inside out so you can see the construction. So there's 3 combs at the front, and then the back has the adjustable strap, and it's a lace front with a silk top. So the silk top is sewn on here, and then the back is just tracks. So I'm going to show you the top. So this is what the silk top looks like. So it's really nice and natural looking. It literally looks like skin. I get so many compliments on this because you literally can't tell. So when I tell people I'm wearing a wig, they don't believe me because it literally looks like skin at the top. I hope you guys can see that. And then the front is, it just has like a little bit of lace there to kind of help you blend it with your skin, but not too much lace. So if you really want to customize the hairline, I would recommend you get a lace top versus a silk top. And then the back of the hair is just tracks, so you can see the first track there, and so on and so forth. And the rooting was done better on the tracks. Like, I really like the color there versus the color at the top, which is where you would really want it actually, you know, that you would want the rooting at the top of the hair, but I guess they had to make it different. I guess they make it different with the silk top. I don't know how they do it, but the color did come out a little bit different at the top, but I'm not too worried about it. And I like wearing this hair with like these wet beachy waves. I literally just wet the hair, and this is kind of the natural wave that it has. So I like how this looks. I feel like it looks pretty natural. But I also have footage from when I first got it, like when I first unboxed the wig. So I'll insert that next just so you guys can see what it looks like fresh out of the box, because I feel like that's always helpful when you're looking to buy a wig. It's nice to see what it looks like right out of the box. So I'll insert that now. I haven't styled it yet. It still has a little bit of flicky pieces from the box, but woohoo! What's up? I'm feeling it. She has potential. It's that like Beyonce angled lob, whatever. The hair is actually a nice color. I don't know if you can see, but I'm happy with like the color. Like when you get a 613, sometimes it's like super yellow and really nasty looking. So I'm like, okay, this is cool. I don't even really have to like tone it. So yeah, overall, I highly recommend this wig. It is one of my favorites. I feel like the quality is still there, and it's pretty affordable for a human hair wig. It isn't full lace, but which is what makes it more affordable because it has the tracks in the back. And I still think the quality is really nice. The hair is still really soft. It's actually, the hair is nicer than, it's nicer than my Freedom Couture wig. I'll link that review down below if you haven't seen it, but that hair turned out to be pretty dry, and this is still really soft, and I've had it for 2 years. So yeah, I really recommend this wig. I haven't had a bad wig. I've had 2 wigs from Best Lace Wigs, and they've both been awesome, so I haven't had a bad wig from them, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'll link them down below so you can see this exact wig. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!